So again, to create customer master data, we need to use BP roles. Which are those BP roles to create customer master? So FLCU00 is to create company code data in FI, and FLCU01 is to create sales organization data in customer master. So I will show this to you in SAP S4HANA system. Now I'm back to SAP S4HANA easy access screen. So I will go back to the transaction code BP to extend the business partner into customer master. So I will come on this screen. So how I can find the business partner which I have just created. So on the left hand side, you can see that I have got a find tab, and here there are a few options through which I can find the business partner which I have just created. So first option is find. So I will choose organizations because I have created business partner as an organization. The next one is by. So I will choose search term. I can choose name as well, but I will choose search term. So if you remember, I created the business partner as Stratford Cars. So I will choose search term 1, which I put Stratford as search term 1 and cars as search term 2. So I will put Stratford and then click on start. And here I am. So 106 I created as business partner. Double click on that and you will come on display business partner 106 screen. So now you want to extend it as customer master. So first thing you have to do is to click this change button so that you can put this screen into change mode. So click on this pencil button and the screen will be changed into change mode. Change in BP role. As I mentioned that FLCU00 BP role is used to create customer master. So I will go and find that standard BP role which SAP has delivered. Click on it and look for FLCU00. Remember, FLCU00 will create FI or company code data for the customer master, not the sales data. In order to create sales data, you have to choose FLCU01 as business partner. So the first thing is to create FI customer. Click on it and the screen, okay, the screen will be little bit changed with more options. As you can see, customer general data and other options, which you can see by clicking on this button. But this, we are still in the general data screen. We have already put this information into business partner master data. So the new thing on this screen, which you can see, is company code button here. Company code data or FI data is the same thing. It's it's not two different things. So we are talking about the same thing. So click on company code. And if you remember, in ECC, customer master has got three segments: general data, company code data, and sales organization data. So now we are in company code data or company code segment of this customer, which is Stratford Cars. And we are extending this business partner as customer master. So our company code is AZ01 and press enter. And here we are. So we have to put reconciliation account, which is a mandatory field. Any field with this tick sign means that it is mandatory field, and without putting the data in this field you cannot proceed. So we will put reconciliation account, which is accounts receivable. So we have got 140,000 as customers domestic receivables as reconciliation account. And if you want to put more information for this customer, so you can do that. Otherwise, there will be no other mandatory field except this reconciliation account. You can put payment terms, payment methods, house bank. So you have got several options which you can navigate from one tab to another. And if you want to see the tabs in group, so you can, or in a drop down menu, so you can click on the last button. And once you are done, you can click on this check button to see if there is any error into this customer master. So click on it and there should be a message display in the below bar. So here we go. Data of business partner is error free. And now you can save this business partner or customer master because you have already extended business partner 106 into customer master. Click on it. And the customer master has been saved. Now you will notice that customer number is different from business partner. Why is it so? I will let you know in the upcoming lectures how the number ranges are configured into SAP. So, and how business partner is linked with the customer number range. So if you remember, the first thing I told you is grouping when I was creating the business partner. So I will let you know in detail how that grouping is linking with this customer number. Okay. The other thing which you have to check is the FI account group. If you remember, in ECC we used to create account groups for customer master. So where we can see that information, we still have to create account groups if we want to assign this number range. So where we can see that account group information. So if you click on general data and go to customer general data. So here we are, account group ZC01 domestic customers. So how this is configured, this will be in my next lecture, which is on the configuration behind this business partner and the linkage in between the customer and business partner. So here, the second thing is, as I mentioned, that we use BP role to create sales organization data or sales organization segment for customer master. So if you want to extend it further and create sales organization data, if you are SD consultant, because I have just created the data for FI consultants, but for SD, if you want to see that, so I can show you. So go back to BP role and click on FLCU01. Click on it. And here we are. If you notice, now we have a button called sales and distribution. Click on it. And here we are. So we have to input our sales organization. So my sales organization is ZS01 and distribution channel Z1, division is Z1. So I have already configured sales organization, distribution channel, and division. So next thing is to check if there is any field which is mandatory, and you must have to input that information. So you can see that sales district is a mandatory field. So if you click and select the sales district, so let's say Northern region, and just click the next tab to see if there is any other mandatory information. So orders field is showing the red circle, so it means that there is something missing. So click back to orders, and price group is a mandatory information. So SAP has given standard options whether this customer is a bulk buyer or occasional buyer. So let's say bulk buyer. And customer pricing procedure, just click on it and SAP has given some information. You can create your own customer group if you have to. So double click on the standard and just proceed on the shipping tab, and then billing tab. And so similarly, you can give more information on different tabs according to your company's requirement. Just click on check and see if there is any error. And there is no error. It is error free. So click save. And here we go. So we have just created sales organization data for this customer. So that's how you can extend business partner to create customer master and sales organization data for that customer master as well.